Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is for all the momshies around the world. Summer just got started here in Dubai and school vacation time is almost approaching. And most of the moms always need a recipe that is quick, easy, and as well as delicious to child's palate. Something as simple as custard is today's recipe. So let's begin! Ingredients to have this delicious dessert. I hope you guys will give my recipe a try, and if you find this video interesting, comment down below and share it, and give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell so that you will be notified on my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Life is beautiful, guys. Keep smiling. Thank you for watching.